Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Pretty cool little design that anybody can make, and it kind of looks like, because I put it like on a black, so if you're going to print this on a black shirt, it would look really cool. And just a reminder that I'm speaking next year in February at Las Vegas at the International Personalization Association, but at their expo. This is really easy to make. Take a six-sided polygon and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Matter of fact, we're going to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to go ahead and bring in indexing lines that are in the center. But since that's a centerable item because it's an even number, I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I don't have to move the rotation. It's already there. And I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees and then hit the Control D until it's an even cobweb type deal. Then we're going to take the, let's do this light one, yellow or blue. Then go from the furthest one out inwardly and get all of them. Now, we're going to select that, but we didn't select all the red hairlines, so I can weld that. But I can take the Alt key and swipe through there, which selects all of them and move them out of the way. Now we need to take the interactive fill tool and go just like that, and I'm going to add black to that box. And there's several ways you could do it and look at it and, maybe bring that down and bring this up and, maybe even slide that over. You want a little bit of black, but you could always bring that blue back again and make it a little bit darker or lighter. So we're going to go with that. Now we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to click on the X and get the rotation circle. Try to put it in the center, and it's not, so I'm going to come off of it. Click off of it, click on it, it's there. Now we rotated 10 degrees, so we're going to rotate 10 degrees also. And then I'm just hitting Control D all the way around till I get to that spot. And there you go. Take away the indexing lines. Let's go ahead and group this together. Control G. And let's put it in a black box and see how it looks in comparison to the red one. Go up to Object, Order, back a page. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.